Hey, wanted to quickly do this video to show you a new feature that has been added to the Bleuleads app. Now, if you've not seen my review about Bleupages, you can see the link here, which will direct you to a video where I did a review of Bleupages. So, Bleupages is basically a Facebook application which helps you build lists, which gives you a lot of options to build lists and market within Facebook. And Bleuleads is a part of the Bleupage applications. And Bleuleads basically what it helps you do is it helps you scrape user IDs from Facebook. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you a new feature that has been added to the Bleuleads app, which is graph search. Now, for people who do not know how graph search works, basically Facebook lets you with search Facebook with a lot of specifics. Like for example, you can search for people who like who have a specific hobby, who live in a specific place, who like a specific fan page, all of these things. So I'll just show you an example of how it works and how Bleuleads helps you build user IDs, scrape user IDs using Facebook graph page, and how you can use these scraped UIDs to run a campaign on Facebook to make money. So first I'll do a graph search here. So it'll be very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for people who like Chicago Blackhawks and live in the United States and are uh, below or and are below 39 years old. So this is a graph search that I'm going to do, and Facebook is going to return a lot of search results which meets all of these criteria. So these are the people who like Chicago Blackhawks. They live in the United States and they are less than 39 years old. Like you see here, this is less than 39 years. This is 38 years. This is 38 years old. So that is what graph search does. Now think about the kind of users you're going to target if you are able to scrape these UIDs and market to these specific people. Now I'll show you how that works. Let me open the Bleuleads app. This is a Bleuleads app now here. All I do is I hit the page scroll here and the page starts to scroll. You can see here that the page is scrolling. So this is one part in almost all of these Facebook tools that I find a little irritating, because it takes a lot of time for these apps to scroll through and get you a list of a lot of people, so that you are able to scrape their IDs. So now let's wait until it scrolls through and gets you a list of people. Now this will keep scrolling until Facebook gives you search results with all of these criteria in there. And if you want to build a broader list, you might want to remove one of this criteria and you should be able to get a broader list. Now for example, here if I remove this and below 39 years old and I delete this part here and I hit enter, it is going to give me an even broader list. And let me show you, when I scroll the page, it is going to give me a lot many more search results. So it depends upon you how targeted you want to be, and how and what exactly is your search criteria and what is the demographic that you're going to target using your ads. So now while this is scrolling, what I'll do is I'll show you how to scrape these UIDs. All I do is I click the scrolling button here again once, so it stops the scrolling, and that's where it is. Now once I've done that, all I need to do is click get UIDs, and you see here I've already gathered about 146 user IDs. These are for people who like Chicago Blackhawks and who live in the United States. Now let me show you how you can use this these UIDs to market, and what exactly can you do. Now Teespring has been quite Teespring is something that uh, people are using a lot to make money these days. So I'll show you how you can use Teespring and do this. Now, let me go to teespring.com/discover, or you can even go to photograph. These are places where you can research for your t-shirts. So you see here, now you can browse through some of these campaigns. Now let me show you a few campaigns that you can easily run these kind of t-shirts here. And you see here it is 470 t-shirts sold, and it is for 1997. So this will give you a margin of about $9 to $10, and you can imagine the kind of money that this guy has been making. So that is one thing. There is other videos, other t-shirts that I'll show you, which are basically targeted to the Chicago Blackhawks. Check this out. This is again a Chicago Blackhawk t-shirt, and it is 252 t-shirts sold for $39.99. Now let me show you. So it's a pretty simple t-shirt, very simple t-shirt, and it has something written, and this is kind of the logo for Chicago Blackhawks. And you can see here they've sold 250 towards a goal of 50. They've sold it for about $39.99, and there are different options also here. Even if you're making about $10 to $12 of profit on this, you can imagine what is the kind of money that you'll be making with these kind of t-shirts. So this is one such example. There are many examples that you can use to build to market at Teespring, or you can build Facebook fan pages, gather likes from these kind of audiences, and market to them once you've built a relationship with them. So that's it about this new feature that has been added to Bleuleads app. You will find a link in the description box below from where you can order Bleupage uh, uh, at a very low cost today. Or you can go for a lifetime edition if you don't want to pay a monthly fees there. And it's a steal of a deal, because once you see my Bleupage review where I show you what are the features that Bleupage gives you, I am sure you're absolutely going to like Bleupage as well. Thank you for watching the video.